Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbana zidna ilma. ربي يسر ولا تعسر ربي وتمم بالخير اللهم اجعل القرآن ربيع قلوبنا ونور صدورنا اللهم آمين. So we are going to start our today's session. Yesterday we have almost finished the verb table. It is fa'ala table, complete table, and fi'lul madi, mudare, amr, nahi, ismul fa'il, maf'ul, and masdar. There are 7 columns, and that is the basically template that we have to use this template through most of the time throughout our course during the first session. It will help us to build the vocabulary, and then we will have different type of verb. They will have different shapes. That is what, but most important thing is this complete table. First of all, this complete table should be on our fingertips, at least for fa'ala table. When we start with fa'ala, we should know the 6 madi, mudare, 4 amr and nahi, ismul fa'il, maf'ul, and masdar. These are Arabic terminologies are there, but in English, if you see here, there are like fi'lul madi is past, fi'lul mudare past, present, and future. This is command, uh, imperative, negative imperative. Sometimes we say this is just to stop the command, fa'ilun nahi, then doer, ismul fa'il, ismul maf'ul, and masdar. If you look at that, we use the word fa'il in the first, second, third, and fourth column. These are the verbs. And from the same starting verb, we have fa'il, maf'ul, and masdar, doer. Uh, some we say it is ismul maf'ul object, and ismul maf'ul, and masdar is a verbal noun. This is the central basically noun from where we all these words are derived. This is the center. Then there is the root, mada is called. So if you look at that, we are taking, there will be more than 3 letters, but it is not there right now. So we are just discussing 3 letters verb, and you will see the 3 letters word and how it will change in level 1. Level 0 is almost, we are going to finish it today, and that is very important basic foundation on which we build vocabulary. And you will see that from next week, or when we start level 1, we will have the practice of the verb on the Quranic verses. We will take the example of Quranic verses, then we will apply these verb. But for example, if the word is coming tafa'aluna, the question will come that what will be the first verb? Fa'ala. So start from fa'ala with translation, reach at tafa'aluna, and we should know that this is the meaning. So, and there is the inside doer, like fa'ala, he did, he is the inside doer. Fa'alu, they is the inside doer. Fa'alta, you. Fa'altum, you all. Fa'altu, I. Tu, na, we. Mudare is the present and future. Yaf'alu, he does or he will do. So inside doer is he. Yaf'aluna, when it's ya plus na, so it is they. Taf'alu, you. As we go further, so if you see at taf'alu, it is red highlighted because it has, we will see that taf'alu, one meaning is you do or you will do. And soon we will know that this taf'alu is also another meaning that is also used for she. She does or she will do. This taf'alu has 4 meanings. 2 with you and 2 with she. And plural is taf'aluna, only for you all. Af'alu, I, naf'alu, we. If'al, la taf'al. And here we have the skoon. It is not if'alu. It is if'al, la taf'al. And plural is if'alu, la taf'alu. When we go to ismul fa'il, it is very easy from here, 3 letters word. Fa'ala, fa'ilun. Ja'ala, ja'ilun. There is a alif is coming, so we have to stretch it. So this is fa'ala. This is not fa'ilun. This is fa'ilun. This is, we have to stretch it. Alif madda. Fa'ilun. And plural is fa'iluna, fa'ilina. This is noun. Okay, and then ismul maf'ul, maf'ulun, maf'uluna, maf'ulina, and fail. Fa'il, the one who does. the thing which is being done, that is maf'ulun. Like ja'ilun, the one who makes. Maj'ulun, the thing which is being made. This is ismul maf'ul. This gives the like passive voice. So ismul maf'ul. So maf'ulun. Sometime we will see some verb. Right now we are not discussing. We just for the sake of complete table we make. Sometime we will see there will be some verb in which there will be no maf'ul. Maf'ul will not exist for those verb. Masdar is a verbal noun, and this have no particular pattern. Just we have to say fi'lun, fa'ala, ja'ala, jama'a, jam'un, and similarly rafa'a, raf'un, and we will say it. So meaning will be like fi'lun mean to do, but fa'ala he did, yaf'alu he does or he will do, fa'ilun the one who does, if'al do. So now we will do some practice today on some verb. So I can start with hiba. Hiba, you can just fit here rafa'a with translation. Without translation, just without translation, complete it, and then I will ask you question. Please, I would request everybody to please focus.
رفع رفعوا رفعتا رفعتم رفعتوا رفعنا يف يف يرفعوا يرفعون ترفعوا ترفعون أرفعوا نرفع ارفع ارفع لا ترفع ارفعوا لا ترفعوا رافع رافعون رافعين مرفوع مرفوعون مرفوعين
Raf'un.
رفع
Rafa. So Rafa'a, as Hiba did, see here Rafa'a, three letters. Why this Fa'ala is a template. This is just a class template. So we have to just fit every verb here. When we fit here, so there are three letters will be replaced. First, Ra will be replaced with Fa. And then the second letter of Rafa'a, Fa will be replaced with second Ain. And third here is Ain. So we have to take it like so. When we fit it, we have to just think about the ending sound. The starting sound will sound like same. Rafa'a, rafa'u, rafa'ta, rafa'tum, rafa'tu, rafa'na. Ending sound will be same. Yarfa'u, then same here. Irfa', rafi'un, marfu'un. Okay, now, Hiba, I have question. Rafa'a means?
he raised
And rafa'na,
we raised
narfa'u.
we will raise
ارفع
raise
لا ترفعوا
you all don't raise
رافع رافع the
the
one who
one
raises
who raises
مرفوع
the one who's being raised
رفع
to raise
to raise. Now still I have more question for you, Hiba. I am asking question for other participants so that now tell me we raised, what will be Arabic for that?
we raised
Yes,
رفعنا
you raised.
رفعت
I will raise.
أرفع
He raises.
يرفع
Don't raise.
لا ترفع لا
Yeah.
ترفع
لا ترفع. Yeah. Those who raise.
رافع
Rafi'un. Is it those?
no that's the one
The one who raises, that is Rafi'.
رافعون sorry
Rafi'una. And
رافعين both of them
Okay. Rafi'una and rafi'ina. Okay, so both. Okay. Thank you, Hiba. Thank you very much for this. I still need one more participant. And for this, I will just randomly select someone. I would go to Sister Rabia.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. So, Ja'ala. Just make the table without translation.
جعل جعلوا جعلت جعلتم جعلت جعلنا يجعل يجعلون تجعل تجعلون اجعل نجعل اجعل لا أجعل
لا تجعل.
لا تجعل اجعلوا لا تجعلوا جاعل جاعلون جاعلين مجعول مجعولون مجعولين أجعل
جعل.
جعل
Yeah. Oh, so thank you. Very nice, mashallah. So we should this should be the sense of achievement for all of us. We are just taking one verb, just in Arabic. Let's say we don't know the meaning, but at least we can make 23 words. Some of them are verbs and some are noun. So this is one achievement. Second thing is that when we see here one verb, we take one verb and it is having different shapes. It is changing its shape and changing. That's why this is called surf, changing its shape. So one verb is changing its shape, and when it changes the shape, and we know the meaning, and this is how we are building up, and this is a big achievement for every participant. So when we have some time, spare some 10 minutes, 15 minutes, take one verb, file table, even you can print out or put it in the screen in front of you. Just try to fit here and ask each other. If you are a family, multiple participants from the same family, ask in a similar way. Jala, fit it, ask question, and like this. Now I have question, sister, from you. What is the meaning of ja'alna?
Is it still me?
Yeah.
جعلنا is we did. Or sorry, we made.
Okay. Ja'alta.
جعلت you made.
Ja'altu.
I made.
Aj'alu.
I make or I will make.
Ja'ilun.
Um I'm the one who makes or
The
sorry, the
one
one
who
who
makes.
makes.
The one who make. Maker. And the maj'ulun.
The one that's made.
Yeah. Thing which is made.
The
Okay.
thing that's
Okay.
made.
Okay. Now, still I will have some more question for you. They made.
They made um
They
uh
made. Past.
oh جعلوا
Okay. They make.
يجعلون
You will make.
تجعل
We will make.
نجعل
You all don't make.
لا تجعل
Those who make.
um جاعلون جاعلين
Ja'iluna, ja'ilun, ja'ilina. Thank you very much. MashaAllah. Thank you. Um, Brother Romiz,
Yes, brother. Assalamu alaikum.
walaikum assalam. Your task is Nahara.
Nahara. He sacrificed. Okay.
Okay, just wait without translation, please.
Oh, uh, Nahara, Naharu, Naharta, Nahartum, Nahartu, Naharna, Yanharu, Yanharuna, Tanharu, Tanharuna, Anharu, Nanharu, Inhar, La Tanhar, Inharu, La Tanharu, Nahirun, Nahiruna, Nahirina, Manhurun, Manhuruna, Manhurina,
Nahrun.
Nahrun. Yeah.
Nahrun. Yeah. Okay. Now I have question, Brother Romiz, from you. Just question is just for the study purpose. You are just I am taking your help. So Nahara, you said he sacrificed. Inside doer is he. What is the inside door of nahartu?
I.
Nahar, okay. Naharna,
We.
we. Yanharu,
Yeah, he.
anharu,
I.
tanharu.
You. Or
Thank you very
she.
much. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Anharu meaning
Anharu, I sacrifice or I will sacrifice.
nahartum,
You all sacrificed.
inhar,
Sacrifice.
la tanharu,
You all don't sacrifice.
nahiruna.
Nahir, those who sacrifice.
Thank you very much. Jazakallahu khairan.
Thank you, Father.
Turhan.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Just complete, take the word batha and complete the table, please.
Okay. بعث بعثوا ب- بعث بعثت بعثتم بعثت بعثنا يبعث يبعثون تبعث تبعثون أبعث نبعث ابعث لا تبعث ابعثوا لا تبعثوا باعث باعثون باعثين مبعوث مبعوثون مبعوثين
Bathun.
بعث.
Thank you very much. This was the objective of level 0, that everybody should complete the table. We can give them a verb and they can fit in this complete table. They can have madi, mudare, amar, nahi, fa'il, maf'ul, masdar, past, future, order, negation of order, imperative, negative imperative, ismul fa'il, doer, ismul maf'ul, object, masdar, verbal noun. This is verbal noun. We are repeating these terminologies again and again so that we should have them in fingertips. So this is what we have. We will have this practice, inshallah, from level 1. We will do that. We can see that we have one verb. We can make 23 verb. We know the meaning. We know the inside doer. Because in Arabic, if we know fataha, he opened. Fatahu, they open. It is not only open. There is an inside doer and the action, both in Madi and Mudare. And this inside doer concept is very important. Okay, and the next we have the last basically topic of this level 0 is most commonly used word. We have this almost 45 words here. Most of them, 14 or 15, we already knew that because we did practice while we were doing attached pronouns and detached pronoun, and similarly in the second session about haza pointers and alladhi, alladhina, allati, allat. These all we already use, but we have a complete table here. These are most commonly used word. If you just want to check, just randomly open up any page of Quran and you will see that these words, at least these words, will be there in every line. What we should have a meaning of this. It cannot be done just in one session. Just we should have a printout of this complete table. We should have it on our study table or in front of us. We just whenever read Quran and just try to, but they at the end of the day, sometime if we practice for 15 minutes a week, after 2 weeks, all these 45 words will be on our fingertips. Whenever there will comes illa, it's mean except. In mean if, inna indeed, and that, anna that. Just look at this. In, inna, an, anna. Four. They are same alif noon, but they are different pronunciation. In, inna, an, anna. In, if, inna indeed, inna. Just look at the inna and just try to search in Quran. Nowadays we have some apps, we can search some word that how many times this inna will come there. Inna alladhina, inna indeed, and that, anna also that, lakin but. Just this only, lakin but. Similarly, min mean from, this man mean who. Man, who, min mean from. Law, if, is when, ida when, illa except, la not. And this la, just la comes sometime, it's mean for sure. Kaifa, how. Allahumma, oh Allah. So just this, we have to spend, everybody just have to spend some time on this, and just they all these words should be on our fingertips. So that is the end of level 0. And just to review that what we have achieved, we started with detached pronouns, attached pronouns, then we studied madi, verb, past tense, present and future mudare, imperative فعل amr, فعل nahi negative imperative, ismul fa'il that is subject doer, ismul maf'ul object, and then most commonly used word in Quran. Normally such type of slides should become on the first day, but due to these terminologies we did not show up there. So now when we say that detached pronoun, we are very much clear that what is detached pronouns, what are the use, attached pronouns, past tense ماضي مضارع فعل الأمر فعل النهي اسم الفاعل اسم المفعول مصدر verbal noun and most commonly used word in Quran. Over to you, Doctor.